Hi Kritika. Hi Riddhi. Hi guys, what's up? Hi everybody. So let's Preeti join in and see what question he will ask me today. And you guys also be ready to. Thank you so much. Nishar. Hi Dhyan, how are you? I'm good. Hi Preeti underscore fashion. Hi. Hi Srinivasan. Hi Vincent. Hi Albert. Hi Mavashor. Good evening. Hi guys. So, how's your quarantine going on? Hi everybody. Too boring. I know it's too boring, but we can't help it. We have to be at home and we have to be safe because no vaccination. Thank you, Preeti underscore fashion, that I'm looking gorgeous. Okay, so Preeti is here now. Hi Zakir. No, why? Preeti, can you please send me a request again because you are not able to connect? Hi Sakshi, how are you? Preeti, can you hear me? Can you please send me a request because I'm not able to connect with you. I'm not understanding why she's not able to connect with me.
Hello.
Hi, Preeti. How are you?
Good, Sonali. How are you?
I'm good.
So wonderful to connect with you here. And इस lockdown में हम सब घर पे bore हो रहे हैं. And today I'm so glad that we'll be talking about such an interesting topic, which is passion.
Yeah,
So
because
how's your lockdown going on?
lockdown is going okay. Like earlier, first month is little bit, kind of okay. But yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but from next last 2 months are quite good because I make my schedule like that. Because earlier first month, में तो I'm not able to set myself only. So but last
Our
2 months.
routines have changed. हम कितना बाहर जाते थे. We are such social people in this
Social
industry, and now we just by
not
ourselves.
at all to sit at home at all. I'm not that type of person. So it is very irritating for me, to like. But ठीक है.
Well, I feel सब ठीक हो जाएगा and things will be
I
even better.
seriously
Or
want.
all our friends who have joined us here, all our viewers, thank you so much for being here. My name is Preeti Katpal. I'm an anchor and actress from Mumbai. और मेरे साथ आज यहाँ celebrity, fashionista, and the hot couture specialist, celebrity stylist, and fashion designer. Sonali Jain hai. So all our viewers, we are about to talk about fashion today. Before we begin, let me introduce Sonali a little more. So दोस्तों सोनाली फ्रॉम द पिंक सिटी रॉयल सिटी राजस्थान के जयपुर से है एंड yes her designs are influenced by the vibrant Indo-Western culture which is evidently displayed in her beauteous collections. The decadent seasonal blossoms and vivid hues in airy and eye-catching fabrics are a testimonial to her sense of style. And जैसे मैंने कहा वो फैशनिस्टा है, हॉट couture स्पेशलिस्ट है, सेलिब्रिटी स्टाइलिस्ट है और बहुत बहुत फैशन के लिए पैशनेट है. So she's designed outfits for many celebrities like Urvashi Rautela, Hina Khan, Prachi Desai, Amrita Rao, Priyank Sharma, Neha Bhasin, Zara Khan, Tanishq Bakshi and many more. तो जयपुर से वो बॉम्बे आई in 2005 and she was very clear and very focused to launch her own fashion label that was inspired from the royal heritage and culture of Rajasthan. So yes, she brings to you magnificent blend of modern opulence and yes, the royalty of Rajasthan. Well, Sonali, I'm so glad to be talking to you today.
So in fact, I'm glad that you have explained everything.
और एक और मजेदार चीज की बात है दोस्तों, सोनाली अब इस लॉकडाउन में आपको 70% ऑफ डिस्काउंट भी दे रही है. So that is like a cherry on top of the cake. All her fabulous designs are on sale. तो आप जरूर उनका पेज चेकआउट कीजिए and do shop in this lockdown. Well, as we promised our viewers that हम fashion की बात करेंगे, so friends, throughout this live session, you can keep asking questions. अगर आपके मन में कोई भी question है, किस तरह के कपड़े पहनने हैं, आगे क्या fashion sense होगा, आगे क्या fashion का trend चलेगा, कुछ भी आप पूछ सकते हैं. So Sonali, are you ready for some question and answer today?
Totally.
All right. So just let's begin by talking about how did you get into this world of fashion designing? Tell us about your journey.
See, from starting only, I have a passion in my mind that I have to do something in fashion line.
Mm-hmm.
So I've just started an year back, to be very frank.
Okay.
Just an year back. But yeah,
Okay.
from a time, I have a passion in mind that I have to do something or the other in the fashion industry.
Mm-hmm.
So when I moved to Mumbai in 2005,
Mm-hmm.
so it's clear in my mind that I do something in fashion, but somehow things doesn't work, and somehow some other things come up. So that's why it hasn't started that time. But this time I'm very clear on my hand when I've started this with Hina Khan and Priyank on Bombay time, 24th
Ah,
March. I still remember the day, 24th March 2018, on the for
okay.
the walk. So that day I've launched my brand with a Ram show, and trust me, it was the happiest moment of my life, that I can say that. And it was
I have
amazing.
seen so many
1 year.
pictures on your page about this fashion week with all the celebrities and your outfits.
I didn't get you what you said.
I said I've seen lots of pictures on your Instagram page about all these fashion week and with all the celebrities. Amazing designs. बहुत ही अच्छी designs है आपकी.
Months. No, I love to, you just play with colors, with prints, with the work, with fabrics to make it Indo-West, because I never go with only Indian culture, because to be very frank, I don't like Indian culture much. I don't like a traditional taste. So I
Okay.
mix the European and Indian both. So that makes the
Okay.
Indo-Western everything.
Nice. So, in this entire journey of yours in the fashion world, who inspires you the most, or what inspires you to create your own fashion? Is there somebody, some fashion designer, some actress you see and you feel कि मुझे इस तरह के कपड़े बनाने हैं? Some inspiration.
Inspiration. Inspiration though is just like it's my passion. I haven't
Okay.
got कि वो ऐसा है तो मुझे उसकी तरह बना है या मुझे किसी से compete करना है, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. It's just that it's my passion, and to be very frank, I myself very shopaholic and kind of a person, totally toned up, and I can't go like this. So if a person himself is a shopaholic and himself,
Right.
like always play with colors and play with designs, ऐसा नहीं ऐसा
Mm-hmm.
वो नहीं ये चाहिए. So she has this thing in mind that कि नहीं यार कुछ करना है.
Very, very
So
well said. अब यहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोगों के कमेंट्स आ गए हैं. So let me read out some comments. Zan is saying, Sonali Di, she is sending you hearts and all. Naveed ने hello भेजा है.
hi,
Many
now.
more comments are coming in. Okay, so friends, we are here to answer all your questions. Ishrar Podar is saying, so gorgeous, so strong. My friend Vikalp Mehta is here. Hi, Vikalp. Vikalp is also a very famous anchor.
Oh wow,
Vikalp,
hi.
you should check out Sonali's designs. She designs for men also. Okay, तो जब तक ऑडियंस के क्वेश्चंस आए, सोनाली, आई हैव लॉट्स ऑफ क्वेश्चंस फॉर यू. तो
Yeah.
मैं शुरू करती हूँ. एंड अब लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, सो व्हाट डू यू थिंक, हाउ हैज दिस लॉकडाउन, द पैंडेमिक अफेक्टेड द फैशन इंडस्ट्री?
It has affected very bad, to be very frank, because at present nobody is in a condition to buy anything or to afford, because is going on. Everybody is at home. Lot of people are there who have postponed their marriages, their occasions, and everything. And we deal into more of kind of more of a bridal or siders who wear like a Mahila Sangeet kind of or a reception. So for us, it's a very difficult phase going on. But for sure, it will end very soon, because definitely marriages to रुकने नहीं वाली, शादी तो लोग करेंगे.
बिल्कुल,
So that's
बिल्कुल.
why we have started giving discounts. So at least people doesn't get, like with this condition, when I know that obviously these things are going on and nobody can afford it right now. And if they can afford it also, I mean, they are not in that situation कि नहीं यार ठीक है, अभी ये 1 लाख का है तो चलो ले लो जाके. अभी at present the scenario is not like that.
Yeah,
So
there's no flow of cash.
that's why I
People are
have
using their
reduced my
savings.
prices. So that's why we have started sale also. we've given offers also, so at least people can, at least people can't kill their dreams. Whatever they want to wear or whatever they want to buy, they can come to me, they can discuss with me, and we can do according to them. So nothing like, कि इतना हो रहा है तो मतलब प्रॉब्लम आ रही तो अब कैसे करें. I don't want to be that. So that's why I'm starting with offers and sale and everything going on right now.
Very sweet of you. This is the need of the hour, I feel. And to all our viewers, अगर आपके घर में छोटी सी शादी हो रही है, जैसे कि 50 people की weddings अब allow हो गई है, and you still want wonderful clothes and not go for very simple clothes, Sonali is giving you discount and 70% discount मिल रहा है. So do check out her page and contact her for her designs. So Sonali, tell me, after the lockdown opens, the fashion industry में क्या changes आएंगे? Will there be fashion weeks? Will there be many fashion shows? और क्या same fashion trends चलेंगे या कुछ नया आएगा फिर भी?
Preeti, see, I think looking at this scenario right now, because everybody is going through a very bad situation right now, financial or whatever. So I don't think a very posh thing came up. People did play with colors, with prints, with a little
Right.
bit, tinge of work, with a kind of a drip, with a kind of a Indo-Western thing, like just a plain kind of a sari, but with a belt on it or a legging over it, something like that. So that which is affordable to, stylish to, and you can wear it on any ceremony. So because if we go a very high on a range, like, so I really doubt normal people definitely can't afford it. And the people who can afford it, we are always there. So definitely on our new collection, whatever we launch, so we are deciding on that only, that we launch the collection which is like affordable to everybody who can, like, people can afford it, they can buy it, and they can wear it on any occasions. And
Wonderful.
we will not
Fashion
compromise on anything, that for sure. We
जो
will.
ज्यादा से ज्यादा डिजाइनर्स होते हैं, उनके जो कपड़े होते हैं, they cannot be reused because उनके जो स्टाइल होती है वो इतनी मतलब एक ही स्टाइल की होती है. You cannot reuse that outfit in different ways. Also ऐसे कपड़े होते हैं कि वो स्टैम्प पर पहने जा सकते हैं.
No, in my collection, you will see every single piece a different piece. You will never see a single piece similar or something like that. Every piece is a different piece. I,
That's wonderful.
if I've just launched a chandelier collection the last when I've done the chandelier show and of Bombay Times. I've just launched that. So that time also I've many stones, Swarovskis and everything.
Okay.
You have gone somewhere.
No, I'm here. I'm here. The camera just turned around. I was trying to scroll comments and the camera turned ho gayi. Anyways, I'm back. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can.
Okay. So I got to know that you write blogs also. Tell me something about your blogs. And which is your favorite blog?
I have started writing blogs in this lockdown only, actually, to be very frank. I used to write when I was in school and college. Then
Okay.
I just कभी कभी मन हुआ तो लिख लिया. But
Okay.
now on lockdown, I write 4-5 blogs. In that one is my very nice blog written for women, especially women empowerment. Like why women are not treated as as men in India. They have to be given the same situation. Why they can't go out? Why they have questions always? कि तुम इतना लेट क्यों आया, तुम इतना यहाँ पे क्यों गई, ये क्यों करा, वो क्यों करा,
Very
ऐसे क्यों करा, वैसे. So write down that blog, and I have given that fly high. So whatever you wish to do, whatever is your dream, always go through it. People will say, उनका काम है क्या, let them say. So yeah, I am not saying that कि एकदम उनके उसमें चल जाओ कि नहीं मैं तो बस वैसा ही करूंगी. But I'm saying that don't kill your dreams.
Very, very well said. Very well said. This
And you never know, because we have just seen that
right.
Sushant has so life is very short. We don't know never like what happens. So at least don't go in that situation or any phase of time that you feel like a kind of a suffocation, or you feel like I'm not able to do what I wanted to do. So I've written a
Very well.
blog, so I really love that.
बहुत ही अच्छी बात कही है. It's not just women empowerment now, friends. It is about empowering everybody that's around you. आप किसी को भी छोटा feel मत करवाइए. Let everybody grow, and in fact, we should support everyone around us. Competition की
Very
बात नहीं है अभी. It's about helping
much.
each other.
Please, yeah. Spread love. Why to compete? I don't understand why.
This is great to bring in some more awareness. अब जो हो गया है, that we are all very, very deeply hurt by what Sushant Singh went through and the action he had to take. But ऐसा future में ना हो, ये हम पर है. It's up to us to make sure that nobody goes through such a tough time that they have to give up on their lives. Well, Sonali, ये इतने अच्छे thoughts हैं आपके. It's so wonderful to see that people in this industry, fashion world, are not only materialistic, इतने shallow नहीं है. इस industry में भी लोगों का दिल बहुत ही अच्छा है, and आप जैसे लोग हैं जो
Thank you
बहुत
so
ही
much for that.
अच्छा सोचते हैं. Selfless people.
Touch wood. This I got from my mom, dad.
And yes, it's an inspiration for everyone. Well, talking about inspiration and talking about people, तो आपने इतने सारे celebrities के लिए styling की है, उनके लिए clothes design किए हैं. Which has been your favorite celebrity to work with? Also, which event was the most fun event for you?
See, obviously, I told you earlier also the first one which I've done, because I've launched that day my brand with Hina Khan and
Uh-huh.
Priyank. So that was, I can never forget in my life.
Okay.
And trust me, guys, Hina and Priyanka are so sweet. Like उनको पता था कि I'm today is my first day when I've just entered, when I walked the ramp, and I've just launching my brand today. Before they have not done anything. So उन्होंने मुझे इतना inspire करा. Like on the stage also they are just like Sonali, and they are so sweet. And Hina, to I must say, she's a true soul, guys. Like, trust me, she's a true soul. She's so sweet. Like, मैंने पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, सबके अपने अपने थॉट्स होते हैं. किसी के थॉट्स ऐसे भी आते हैं कि शी डोंट आंसर, शी हैज एटीट्यूड. बट ट्रस्ट मी, मुझे ऐसा कभी नहीं लगा. अभी भी मैं उनके बहुत अच्छे टच में हूँ. मुझे कभी
Okay.
नहीं लगा. ही इज वेरी स्वीट टू टॉक टू. एंड प्रियांक तो ही इज अ डैशिंग हंक मैन. Always smiling, always notorious, very nice guy.
So
So
great
that's,
that you could work with such nice people.
yeah, I really love to work with them. That because actually it was my first event also. After that, I've done many shows. I've done with
Okay.
Zara Khan, Tanishq also. That was also very, very unique, because that time I've gone live. I mean, I've
Mm-hmm.
make them sang on the stage.
Okay.
Like they have literally
Great.
sang it, and the people are coming and going. It's a ramp walk
Oh,
with the live
oh,
singing.
uh-huh. So were
So
you a
that
little scared when you were walking the ramp with these celebrities? कैसी feeling थी इतने सारे लोग ताली बजा रहे हैं?
very nice feeling. I was never scared. It was a very nice feeling, definitely. Obviously, everyone want, like appreciation, and it's a common phenomena for human beings. So it's a very
Okay.
nice feeling.
Wonderful. So अब future में ऐसे कौन से celebrity हैं जिनके लिए आप styling करना चाहेंगे? Who is what is your dream project?
See, I want to definitely strive for Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone, because of the reason Ranveer Singh is always he always experiment.
Mm-hmm.
नॉट दैट अ पर्सन की बस एक वो होता है ना लेबल बन जाते बस वो ऐसे ही कपड़े पहनता है. ही इज नॉट लाइक दैट. He always loved to experiment. And I am
Mm-hmm.
also the person who always loved to experiment. So definitely I want to, design something very nice and something very good for Ranveer Singh and Karan Johar because both of them are the person who love experimenting
Trying
things.
to understand. Right,
Because
right.
I'm that type of person, so that's why I can say that yeah, I love to. And Deepika also like she's also not that type of a girl that she has one thing only. She
Mm-hmm.
is very everything and everything suits her very well. So these two are definitely I wanted to.
So
Let's
I hope and I
happen.
wish you that बहुत ही जल्द you will design for Ranveer Singh, Deepika, and also for Karan Johar. In fact, I think that आप उनकी movies के कपड़े भी design करें, not just for their events.
Thank you so much.
That will be actually a lot of fun because the kind of a person you are, so much warmth and so jovial, you don't even feel uncomfortable walking on the ramp. You will really gel with people like Ranveer Singh who are so full of life and full of energy.
He's very cool man. मतलब trust me. मतलब वो उस बंदे पे मैंने कभी नहीं देखा कि सैडनेस एंड दिस थिंग नेवर. Always hubbly bubbly, always smiling, like very nice guy.
और राय तो हमने कुछ गपशप की अब फैशन के बारे में और सेलिब्रिटीज के बारे में. नाउ सोनाली, इट्स टाइम टू प्ले अ फन गेम. आर यू रेडी?
Yup.
Okay, and all our viewers, आप भी comments डालिए when I'm going to ask Sonali these questions. You can also put your views. Okay, so now we're going to play a rapid fire, and because you like Karan Johar, I'm going to name this rapid fire round. Instead of coffee with Karan, I'm going to say green tea with Preeti.
Cool, very cool.
Okay, so I like green tea, so instead of coffee with Karan, I'm going to call it green tea with Preeti.
100%.
Okay, so I'm going to ask you some questions and you have to answer them ekdam quickly without taking too much time. So this is the rapid fire round of questions. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Audience, are you ready? I want you also to answer questions from your point of view. ठीक है, चलिए पहला question I'm going to ask is Sonali, because you can design Indian, Western, everything. तो पहला question Western के हिसाब से 3 ways that you would like to style white shirt with.
Cropped denim, skirt, and tag.
Awesome. And white shirt सिर्फ normal white shirt की तरह नहीं पहनी जा सकती है, उसे अलग-अलग style में पहना जा सकता है. That was fabulous. The next question for you is, now airport fashion has become a big, big thing. So what's your take on airport style?
Losers.
Uh-huh.
And tracksuits.
Okay. Wonderful, man. मजा आता है airport पर, comfortable. You can wear tracksuit.
Just order single one piece, a very loose kind of a one piece, and just hang around over. Just wear a shrug over it. Glare, done.
Comfortable yet stylish.
Yeah.
Fabulous. So the next question for you.
Definitely, if you are going to in some meeting or something, so definitely this will not work. Then you have
Right.
to be properly formal, suit, and whatever. Like it depends on the situation actually.
Right. And I feel when we're flying abroad, especially when the flight is very long, then a tracksuit
So
looks good and it's comfortable also.
yeah, I would also do the same thing. I too can't wear a denim and go to a flight like a 18-hour flight or 16-hour flight. I to go mad. So I
Very
just
true, very.
wear and just spaghetti and shrug over it and just move on.
All right. So next question for you is, okay, ये थोड़ा गौर से सुनिए, ये थोड़ा different question है. So instead of a traditional blouse, name 2 different silhouettes you would style a lehenga with.
crop top and a high neck, also neck.
Okay, that's so cool. And what do you think which celebrity can pull this fashion off the best?
Deepika.
Ah, because she's tall also and
She's
she is very fashionable.
she
All
can
right, so
well.
I hope Deepika is hearing this. Deepika की कोई close friend ये सुन रहे हो और उनको जाके बता दे. Well, let's go ahead with the next question. अब जब lockdown खुलेगा, all the girls are gonna meet their boyfriends or date nights होने वाली है. So tell me, what would your ideal date night look be?
Oh, it's a long thing. You've asked me. Okay. So it should be first open area, either a
Okay.
beachside or a rooftop. Totally a
Uh,
full rooftop, 34s or 54s,
wow.
or a beachside with a fully proper shamiana, curtains falling over it. Then all over a beautiful collection of crockery and
Oh.
over it, and all over candles, yellow candles lit it up with obviously definitely a wine or a champagne bottle in between, and definitely a gift,
Oh yes.
because
How
I
can we
would
forget a gift?
recommend a more cheerful. Whenever she sees some gift, she's okay. Oh my God, something is there, and and yeah. Like it's my preference that whenever I plan dinner for anybody, I mean generally also, so I have this thing in my mind कि I just have कि लोगों का मुझे टेस्ट पता होना चाहिए कि उन लोगों को ये भाता है ये भाता है ये भाता है, so I already pre-ordered everything, so whenever they come they just sit and everything is just going on going on going on going on going on, it's like that.
Nice.
So
So
it's
tell me, what kind of an outfit would you love to wear on a first date night?
short dress,
Okay.
sped kind of thing.
Glam. Short is hot.
Yeah, short is hot.
All right. I can't wait to go to a nice, beautiful restaurant, rooftop, and all those beautiful things you described.
Oh, really? Seriously, I'm to thinking like I've forgotten every single like lane also of Bombay, because I think from last 3 months hardly twice I have out from like my home, hardly.
Oh, Bombay is missing you too.
I am in Mumbai only, but I'm not
Acha.
going down because in our society also is very strict. I stay in one Avigna Park. They are very strict. My God, they are like
Well, I thought you went back to Jaipur.
no, 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 no. I'm okay here.
Bombay is a red zone, तो यहाँ तो घर पर बैठना ही पड़ेगा. But I feel that Rajasthan and many other places are not as affected as Bombay is.
No, Jaipur had affected earlier, but now the situations are better there.
Better.
Now there like shops and malls, everything are open. Like everything is open. In fact, Delhi is in a red zone, but then Delhi also they've opened the malls and everything.
Right. Yeah, Delhi they've opened.
Like how they're managing it, I don't know. But yesterday only I've heard from someone that they are managing very well. Like 3 times sanitizing, then on you also 2 times sanitizing. It like they are managing very well. Let's
And
see about
I somehow feel that धीरे धीरे लोगों की body भी immune हो जाएगी to
yeah, because
not
they
be affected.
because we can't all the time. It's one very funny thing comes in my mind. They are saying to open up the restaurant and they're saying to continue social distancing and wear a mask. What will you do? You just open the mask and eat. Then you wait again for the mask. Then you open the mask again for the mask. So this is funny. This is like.
And I feel जब bars खुलेंगे तो बार में they'll give them a beer bong, like pipe डालेंगे अंदर.
No,
They can
I
just inside the mask keep
a
drinking.
message I got a WhatsApp message. उसमें मास्क पहना हुआ है एक बंदे ने. उसने क्या कर रखा है यहाँ पे बीच में ना एक होल कर दिया है सिगरेट के लिए.
Oh my God.
So I literally laugh like anything. Like, guys, this is what is happening, man. But yeah, actually पता है seriously it's very risky. मतलब लोग डर गए इससे बहुत.
तो अब घर पे रहिए दोस्तों, सेफ रहिए, एंड धीरे धीरे जब लॉकडाउन
Yeah,
खुलेगा, एवरीथिंग विल बी बैक, everything will be fine. Well, Sonali, we have only 5-10 minutes before Instagram shuts us because सिर्फ 1 घंटा allowed होता है. So I'm going to quickly ask my last 2 questions. So tell me a fashion era that inspires you the most.
fashion era. I will already answer right.
Okay. So just tell me again. Uh-huh. Wonderful. And the next one, a fashion trend that doesn't work for you, that you don't like at all.
Oh, see, to be very frank, I don't like ethnic much.
Oh.
Kurti and that legging, I don't like it. That is not my taste. I do, although I do make, but I don't remember that I've ever make a kurti and a legging just. I've never done that because it's not my taste. मुझे बड़ा अजीब सा ही लगता है, पता नहीं क्यों.
So you can experiment new stuff and try so many different stuff and not stick to
Yeah,
ethnic.
that also, I'll do something or else to make it, looking a little happy.
And nowadays I love saris with belt. That is so amazing.
With belts, you can wear it like many times. You can put a scarf, you can put a belt, you can put a beaded kind of a round string. There are many things to style the things.
All right, so that was a lot of fun conversation. I hope हमारे viewers को ये सब बातें अच्छी लगी, and you can also come to Sonali to style something new for yourself at a very good cost in this lockdown. So दोस्तों, अगर आपके पास कोई भी सवाल है फैशन से रिलेटेड या how to wear your favorite kind of clothes, Sonali will definitely answer that. Please put in those questions. आप जरूर ये questions डालिए अपनी फैशन सेंस को बढ़ाने के लिए. Okay, so we're going to close this session by some tips. So Sonali, any tips that you would like to give to upcoming fashion designers?
At present, as I said earlier, also like seeing the situation right now, I think everyone would have been definitely they will decrease the cost, and the fashion trend should be actually see. At present, Preeti, we are not getting an idea because we kab khatam hoega, we don't know. So what collection and what time we have to launch, it depends on that thing. If we have to launch in winters, then all the things, all the color mood boards, the inspiration boards are different. If you have to launch after 1 month, then the mood board, inspiration board are different because colors only change with the seasons. So it is like that. So we are thinking of like launching something printed with a little bit of tinge of work, with team a sari kind of a thing with a legging, or team a crop top with a legging with a drape on it. So kind of things we are working around. So which are affordable to exactly to be very frank, because at present my prices are not that, I mean, not that type. But next collection I'm making affordable just because of this scenario.
Well, that is so wonderful. दोस्तों, बहुत सारी मजेदार designs आपके लिए खास and at a very good cost, 70% off by Sonali Jain. Do check out her page. Sonali Jain fashion.
Sonali Jain _fashion, and visit my website www.sonalijain.co.in. Everything is there. You can see all the designs. Everything is there. So you can call us anytime. 24/7 I am awake. I sleep hardly for
All right, friends. Thank you so much for joining us. And I hope you got to learn a lot about fashion in this live session. This is Preeti Katpal, your host with Sonali Jain, celebrity fashion designer. Sonali, it was great talking to you and
Great.
hope to see you after lockdown.
Sure, for sure. For coffee or something, for sure we will meet.
I am waiting to see your designs. मैं तो आपके
Come
outlet
to,
आऊंगी and try out some
no, no, no,
designs.
come to the showroom now. My showroom is at Lower Parel, guys, just near to
Okay.
Raghuvanshi Mills. You can drop down anytime. At present, we are shut down. We haven't opened yet.
Okay.
But whenever we open it, I think, let's see, I'm just waiting for this month to just go done. Then I will open it again and you can visit anytime.
Wonderful. I'm waiting to visit your store. And दोस्तों सोनाली को follow कीजिए and मुझे भी follow कीजिए. My name is Preeti Katpal. Stay home. Be safe. See you
Yeah,
soon.
guys, please stay home, be safe. It doesn't mean that lockdown खुल गया तो आप लोग बाहर आराम से घूमे. Don't do that. It's very risky.
All right. Goodbye. Take care.
Bye, bye, Preeti. Bye, guys.
Bye.